Hello everyone, and welcome to this next video that I will be making. Spectroplasm here, showing you a demonstration of the new Mythlogic Nyx1712 laptop. It's a very high-end workstation laptop that I have recently got, and I use it for everything in my everyday work, for gaming, for doing work, for doing 3D modeling and programming. This demonstration that I will be showing to you here now is a demonstration of Adobe After Effects Creative Suite 6. And we're going to try to render a 6-minute video and see just how fast this laptop will be able to render it. Okay, so we're going to go up to recent projects, open up one of my projects right here. It's 6 minutes 06 seconds. In this video, I'm just going to skim it here very quickly just for you to see. It's right there. And the profile we will be using is H.264, which is a very common format for DVD players, Blu-ray players, for YouTube, and for this camera also. So right now we're going to hit up to File, Export, Add to Remote Queue, and select the profile H.264. For the composition, I will just pop it inside my OCZ Nocti drive, and we'll name it as Test Render. Doing this with one hand here, so I'm holding the camera with the other. Test Render Out CS6. So we'll hit save. There it is, and we're gonna hit render and just check how fast it will be going. There we go, render job done. It's exporting the job. We will hit current render task just for us to see all the things that it's doing right now, and as you can see, it is crunching down the 6-minute video. And one of my first impressions with it is that I was fairly surprised and amazed at the same time to see just how fast this laptop is doing all of these work that I have been doing for years on end on my desktop PC. And as it is right now, I am not even using my desktop PC anymore. I've completely moved on to the laptop. I've moved all my work, all of my assets and everything onto the laptop, so it gives me more mobility and more time to spend on my projects. Even when I'm on the road, I'm able to continue with my work. And it is pretty smooth up to now. I haven't had any problems with it. I am using the latest drivers from NVIDIA. I've installed the latest drivers from Intel also. And this small video right here is just to show you firsthand, real life example of what the laptop has to offer. The video input file that I have been using for this demonstration right here is taken off the Canon 5D Mark II, which is a QuickTime movie file, and it's uncompressed, so it's over a gig long for 6 minutes. And I've done direct input right away into After Effects. I've only added my name, the logo, and the small viewable angle test screen FOV title in the video. And I've already uploaded that video up to YouTube, so if you might check out my channel, you'll be able to see it. And this video that I'm doing right here is just taking that video back into After Effects and filming the whole thing being done in real time, you know. So this ain't no time-lapse video that I'm doing right here. This is exactly the laptop rendering the video as you see right here. And I did not use Fraps or Camtasia Studio to record it because those just take performance out of the laptop, because he has to take the video and render the video at the same time. So I figured taking it with a camera will let you see and let me see at the same time with you guys that the laptop is 100% concentrated into doing this task. So if, for example, right here I'm just going to reduce the screen size of the Adobe After Effects right here, and we're just gonna move it to the side. You can check right here that all my graphs for the CPUs, they're nearly tied up to 100%, which means that all 8 threads of my CPU is being used to render the video, and the video alone. If I were to use Fraps or Camtasia Studio, one of those threads would be dedicated to Fraps alone, which means it only leaves me with 7 threads to render out the video. Okay, so is that on there? I'm just gonna maximize this up again, just like that. And we're already over halfway with the video. Estimated remaining time is around 3 minutes. In the beginning, before I shot this video, I've set everything up and I had around 3 minutes 30 seconds around complete rendering time. So when I redid this video right here, he did an estimate of 6 minutes, but I doubt that it has been 6 minutes already that I have been recording this video with you. So we'll just have to see. The elapsed time right now is 5 minutes 20 seconds. And I don't know if the camera could pick it up, but I hear the fans spinning up on full load. So for those of you wondering just how loud this laptop is, well, you could just hear it right now. That's the sound of a fan going 100%. And there, it's span back down. There's the fan spinning back up. And we're on the last straight line in the video. And there it is. Finishing off. Done. There you can hear the small confirmation sound. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna close this window. I'm not gonna save since I have saved it already. And open up the driver we put the video on. And right here, test render out. It's 106 megs. So we're just gonna check that out very quickly. There it is. Profile I've been using each H264. It's in 1080 progressive, 24 frames per second. Same thing as my camera. So what you're seeing right now is demo of the video that we had just come to render. just a while ago, and right now I don't see any degradation in pixels. Everything is spick and span. Well,